Welcome to Pure Production Flow, where today we explore the fiery and fascinating journey of modern industrial chili sauce manufacturing. It all begins here, in these vast agricultural landscapes, where farmers carefully cultivate the finest chili peppers under the warm sun. Only the most vibrant and fully ripened peppers are selected, ensuring that the final sauce possesses the perfect level of heat. Harvesting is a critical step that requires speed and precision to maintain freshness before the peppers are transported to the factory. Once harvested, the raw materials are immediately loaded onto trucks, racing against time to reach the processing facility while still fresh. Upon arrival at the processing plant, every vehicle undergoes a strict security check to ensure safety standards are met from the start. The trucks unload tons of peppers into massive stainless steel hoppers, marking the beginning of their transformation into spicy liquid gold. Powerful conveyor belts transport the raw ingredients upward, creating a continuous river of red that flows into the initial cleaning stage. Before washing, high-pressure air blowers remove light debris, such as dry leaves and dust, preparing the peppers for a deep clean. The peppers plunge into bubbling water tanks, where an aeration system gently scrubs their surfaces without damaging the delicate skin structure. This immersion washing process effectively loosens stubborn soil and contaminants, ensuring that only clean ingredients proceed to the next critical phase. As they emerge from the bath, high-pressure spray nozzles provide a final rinse, washing away any remaining residue from the washing tank. Despite automation, human oversight remains essential as skilled workers manually inspect the line to remove any peppers that look imperfect. The de-stimming machine uses precise rotating blades to cleanly separate the green stems from the fruit, maximizing efficiency and reducing waste. A vibrating sieve then shakes the production line, allowing small stem fragments and loose seeds to fall through the mesh gaps. Advanced optical sorters scan every single pepper at lightning speed, using air jets to instantly reject any unit with discoloration. Only the pristine, bright red peppers survive the rigorous selection process, now ready to be transformed into a smooth, spicy pulp. The chilies are fed into a massive industrial crusher designed to break down the tough skins and seeds into a coarse mixture. Inside the chamber, powerful screw mechanisms crush the fruit, releasing the capsaicin-rich juices and creating a thick, vibrant red mash. This raw chili pulp flows into holding tanks, displaying a vibrant color and intense aroma that characterizes the base of the sauce. To ensure a smooth texture, the pulp passes through a secondary fine grinder, eliminating any remaining large chunks or skin fragments. Depending on the recipe, a centrifugal separator may be used to remove seeds, creating a smoother and more refined sauce consistency. The refined paste is then pumped through a complex network of stainless steel pipes, traveling towards the mixing and cooking department. For certain premium varieties, the mash is stored in fermentation tanks, allowing natural enzymes to develop a deeper and more complex flavor. Engineers closely monitor pressure and temperature during this aging phase, as these factors critically influence the final taste profile of the sauce. Quality control technicians regularly extract samples from the tanks to check pH levels and ensure the fermentation process is progressing correctly. Under the microscope, beneficial bacteria work tirelessly to break down sugars, enhancing the acidity and preserving the sauce naturally over time. Once the aging process is complete, the valves open and the matured chili paste is transferred to the main mixing hall. We now enter the mixing hall, where giant stainless steel vats await to blend the chili base with other essential ingredients. Fresh garlic is crushed into a pungent paste, adding an aromatic layer that complements the spicy heat of the chili peppers. Precise amounts of sugar and salt are measured by automated dosing systems, balancing the flavor profile with sweetness and savory notes. Vinegar is introduced to the mix, providing the necessary acidity that brightens the flavor and acts as a natural preservative. Massive agitators rotate steadily, ensuring that every ingredient is distributed evenly throughout the batch for a consistent taste experience. Steam circulates through the double walls of the tank, gently heating the mixture to cook the ingredients and marry the flavors. As the sauce simmers, the heat intensifies the color and aroma, while also activating the natural pectins to thicken the texture. To achieve the perfect viscosity, a starch solution is carefully added, giving the sauce that signature glossy and smooth consistency. The sauce then passes through a pasteurization unit, where it is rapidly heated to kill any remaining bacteria without altering the flavor. This thermal shock is strictly controlled, holding the sauce at a high temperature for a precise duration to ensure total food safety. After cooking and sterilization, the hot sauce is transferred to holding tanks where it is kept ready for the bottling line. Before bottling can begin, samples from the final batch are rushed to the laboratory for a comprehensive series of quality tests. A viscometer measures the thickness of the sauce, ensuring it flows perfectly from the bottle without being too runny or too thick. Color consistency is verified using a spectrophotometer, guaranteeing that every bottle on the shelf has that appetizing bright red hue. High-tech chromatography equipment analyzes the capsaicin levels, confirming that the spiciness matches the specific heat rating on the label. Microbiological tests are the final hurdle, ensuring the product is completely sterile and safe for consumption before it leaves the factory. With quality approved, the focus shifts to packaging, where thousands of empty bottles are aligned and fed onto the production line. Each bottle is inverted and rinsed with high-pressure air and sterilized water to remove any dust particles prior to filling. The bottles enter the rotary filler, where precision nozzles descend to dispense the exact amount of sauce into every container. This high-speed filling process is calibrated to the milligram, ensuring consistent volume while minimizing waste and preventing any messy spillage. The filled bottles move rapidly down the line, maintaining a steady rhythm as they approach the capping station for sealing. An automatic feeder orients the caps and places them precisely onto the bottles, preparing them for the tightening mechanism. Torque-controlled heads tighten the caps to a specific tension, creating an airtight seal that locks in freshness and prevents leaks. For added safety, an induction sealer bonds a foil liner to the bottle rim, providing tamper-evident protection for the consumer. If filled hot, the bottles pass through a cooling tunnel where water mist gently lowers their temperature to prevent overcooking. Air knives blast high-velocity air over the bottles, instantly drying the exterior so that labels can adhere perfectly to the surface. High-speed labeling machines apply the branding wrap with pinpoint accuracy, giving the product its recognizable identity and nutritional information. A laser coater etches the manufacturing date and batch number onto each unit, providing full traceability for every single bottle sold. Computer vision systems inspect every bottle for label alignment and fill level, automatically rejecting any that failed to meet aesthetic standards. A protective shrink sleeve is applied over the cap and heated, adding an extra layer of security and premium finish. The finished bottles accumulate on the line, forming a colorful sea of red as they march towards the final packaging station. Automatic machines erect flat cardboard boxes and seal the bottoms, preparing sturdy containers to protect the product during shipping. Robotic arms utilize vacuum grippers to pick up multiple bottles simultaneously, gently placing them into the cartons with robotic precision. The filled boxes are sealed shut and printed with logistical barcodes, making them ready for inventory tracking and distribution. Heavy-duty palletizing robots stack the cartons in a precise interlocking pattern, ensuring stability for the heavy loads during transport. A stretch wrapper secures the entire pallet with layers of plastic film, protecting the boxes from dust and moisture in the warehouse. Forklift operators skillfully maneuver the wrapped pallets into the massive high bay warehouse, organizing them by production date and batch. This massive warehouse serves as the temporary home for millions of bottles, all waiting to be dispatched to markets around the world. Outside, a fleet of distribution trucks backs into the loading docks, ready to take the fresh product to retailers and restaurants. The logistics team works efficiently to load the containers, maximizing space and ensuring the cargo is secure for the long journey. As the trucks depart, the manufacturing cycle is complete. But the journey of the chili sauce is only just beginning. At the supermarket, the bottles are carefully arranged on shelves, their vibrant red color catching the eye of shoppers passing by. Customers trust the quality and flavor, selecting the sauce to add a kick of spice to their home-cooked meals. Whether used as a dipping sauce or a marinade, the product delivers that consistent, fiery taste that brings food to life.
I like the
From the
spice, Mom.
farm to the family table, this sauce brings people together, adding
Yeah, I noticed
excitement
that
and
during the
flavor
cleaning.
to every
Let's
shared
adjust the
dining
calibration.
experience. Back at the factory, the work never truly stops, as maintenance teams inspect the machinery to prepare for the next production cycle. The automated clean-in-place system flushes the pipes and tanks with sanitizing solutions, ensuring the highest hygiene standards are maintained daily. Continuous improvement is a core value here, with engineers constantly seeking ways to optimize efficiency and reduce the environmental footprint. The factory operates an advanced wastewater treatment plant, ensuring that all water used is purified before being returned to the environment.
But it's missing
Organic waste products like seeds and stems are not discarded, but are repurposed into organic fertilizer or animal feed. In the research and development kitchen, culinary experts experiment with new ingredients to create the next generation of spicy sensations. They study various pepper species from around the world, exploring different heat levels and flavor profiles to expand the product line. Consumer feedback is vital, so blind taste tests are conducted to ensure that any new formula meets the public's expectations. The production line is designed for flexibility, allowing quick changeovers between different bottle shapes and sauce varieties to meet market demand. Smart manufacturing software tracks every aspect of the operation in real time, from raw material intake to final product shipment. As night falls, the factory remains a hive of activity, a testament to the tireless demand for this beloved condiment. We have journeyed through the entire process, witnessing the transformation of simple ingredients into a complex and delicious product. Behind this industrial marvel lies the dedication of countless individuals, from the farmers in the fields to the engineers on the floor. It is a perfect harmony of nature and technology, where traditional agriculture meets cutting-edge engineering to feed the world. The result is a bottle of sauce that is more than just a condiment. It is the finishing touch to a perfect meal. Its rich texture, vibrant color, and balanced flavor profile are the ultimate proof of a production process refined to perfection. This excellence allows the product to cross borders, finding its way into kitchens and restaurants across different continents and cultures. From spicy tacos in Mexico to hot bowls of pho in Vietnam, this sauce adapts to enhance cuisines globally. The mesmerizing rhythm of the production line is a visual symphony of efficiency, quality, and industrial beauty. Adherence to international standards like ISO and HACCP guarantees that safety is never compromised for the sake of speed. Every batch is a testament to the science of food processing, mastering temperature and time to unlock the best flavor. Precision sensors count every unit, providing data that helps managers optimize the flow and reduce downtime in the process. Hygiene protocols are strictly enforced, with every employee undergoing sanitation procedures before stepping onto the production floor. Advanced air filtration systems maintain a positive pressure environment, keeping airborne contaminants away from the open production lines. The dry storage area houses tons of sugar, salt, and packaging materials, all organized and protected from humidity and pests. Logistics is not just about shipping out. A constant stream of raw materials and packaging must arrive to keep the lines running. Incoming packaging materials are also scrutinized, ensuring that glass bottles are free from cracks and defects before use. Compressed air systems power the pneumatic actuators and valves that control the intricate movements of the automation equipment. Reliability is key, so massive backup generators stand ready to keep the factory running smoothly, even during a power outage. From the control room, operators oversee the entire facility, ensuring that every component of this complex machine works in harmony. Teamwork is the foundation of success, with daily briefings ensuring everyone is aligned on safety goals and production targets. A culture of safety protects the workforce, creating an environment where efficiency and employee well-being go hand in hand. Attention to detail extends to the packaging, where crisp labels and high-quality materials reflect the premium nature of the product. Over the years, packaging has evolved to become more ergonomic and sustainable, while the secret recipe remains true to its roots. Sustainability initiatives drive the choice of materials, with a focus on recyclable glass and plastics to minimize environmental impact. As we near the end of our tour, we are reminded that great products always start with the gifts of nature. The cycle of planting, harvesting, and processing continues endlessly, driven by the global passion for spicy and flavorful food. When you twist open a cap, you are unlocking the result of hours of meticulous work and miles of careful transport. It transforms simple snacks into savory delights, proving that a little bit of spice can make a world of difference. The industrial symphony of the factory floor is a melody of progress, ensuring that your favorite sauce is always available. The dedicated team behind the scenes is proud to share their craft with you, delivering quality in every single drop. So next time you reach for that bottle in your kitchen, remember the journey it took to get there. Pure Production Flow is dedicated to showing you the truth behind manufacturing, celebrating the standards that keep us safe and satisfied. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of chili sauce production, please support us by liking this video. Leave a comment below telling us what industrial process you would like to see us uncover in our next documentary. Stay tuned for more mesmerizing production flows, from sweet treats to heavy machinery, as we continue to explore the industry. Thank you for watching this spicy journey. Remember to subscribe to Pure Production Flow for more mesmerizing industrial insights. Goodbye.